Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm back with another lit vlog. So today is my 21st birthday, honey. I am officially 9 years to 30. Like, I'm actually at the age where I transfer money from this account to that account because I'm avoiding a debit order in this account. Like, my life is so bad. But anyways, guys, like, I'm at the age where I need to turn down the volume in order for me to find parking. Oh my word, but yeah, happy birthday to me. And thank you so much to all my friends and family and my social media friends and all sorts. Thank you so much for all the birthday wishes and the messages. And guys, I wish I could get a birthday each day. If I'm gonna get paragraphs like this, honey, I think I must get, like, you know. So I'm just going to be showing guys the sweet little messages that I got from the people and from my friends and family and high school friends. And like, guys, those messages are amazing. I'm just like, oh, this is really cute. So I'm just going to show you guys some of the things, some of the messages that I got from everybody. And I really just want to say thank you so much, guys. You guys really made my day special, and I'm grateful to have you guys in my life. And I'm gonna cry. I know I'm gonna cry. I'm actually crying because what the fuck? The last time I cried on camera, y'all were like, why the fuck are you crying, Demo? I'm not gonna cry. Okay.
Happy birthday, darling. I'm so cool, I'm sick. Hey, I'm so cool, manje sengobiza my sister. Apana ubiza mwana. No sengobiza my sister. Ngithola uma olidi ngokwiza. Skokwa. Happy birthday, man. Hope you enjoy your day. Live life to the fullest. God bless you many more years to come. Keep your positive vibe and energy. Thanks all that God's love. Hope you enjoy the day. A lot of love. And don't not put your food. Never. And also, let's say somebody. So one of the status. Yeah. I'm trying to close the eye in the restaurant. It's me. Mr. UK. What are we gonna put on the sign and talk? Happy birthday, man.
I'm in Cape Town. This is definitely my life. So I'm going to wait for my Uber. Yo, guys, Cape Town is a huge airport, hey? Like literally. So we'll see. We shall see. So I just got to my hotel, but I just dropped off my bag at the hotel. Now I'm gonna go do my activities. I think I'm pretty warm for today's weather in Cape Town, honestly speaking, but I know I am going to need it later, so I don't want to wear like so many stuff or hold so many things. So now I'm just gonna take an Uber to Table Mountain, and yeah, this is just me waiting outside of the hotel, waiting for my Uber. So this is the fitness center, and that is like a conference room. It's very beautiful. Wow, it's the lights for me. So yeah, this is the gym. This is the gym. I look so damn pretty, but I'm honestly feeling hot in this thing. I don't want to lie, but I don't care. Yeah. And then when you go out here, it's still the pool. It's the pool, and then over there it's the harbor. That's the harbor. And then, yeah, that's the harbor. Then I'll give you guys, like later on, I'll give you guys another hotel tour later. Yeah. Another card. Oh, look at this view. So pretty, so damn pretty. Wow.
are now ready to view as well as purchase just as you exit into the exit store. Your exit facing the main building, guys, will be on the right hand side or on my left. To have a lovely day further and a safe journey to your next destination. I will have a slight little bang as we dock, don't be alarmed. Okay, just a bit of wind around. There you go. Cable car just some turbulence.
Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. That. Shayo. Choco bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. Like the Baba fly, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. I need go and shadow. 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 I did what I got when then kill Soboma. I did try to buy moto, or Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Leggy Bona.
Tell me you